We believe in challenging the status quo. We believe in questioning received wisdom. We believe in thinking differently. We make the ordinary extraordinary. As architects and designers, we invest time and brainpower into understanding the location, and our designs flow from what we discover.
The art deco of the site came from just looking at existing surrounding and trying to understand each sort of elements that are specific to Edgware Road. What we try to do is to produce iconic buildings that are embedded in the city. We like to ensure that our buildings are functional, and we also like to ensure that our buildings work with people, and we like to create spaces that are timeless.
We don't have a house style. Our designers think freely about what will work best for the client and the location.
Robert Docks is a master plan for ABP of 4.7 million square feet to create a new business district for London. We work closely with the client, the team and the contractor to develop a modular type of construction which goes from the facade to the building cores, to the columns, to the services. It creates buildings really quickly to a high level of quality.
We offer an end-to-end service, from concept to completion of complex projects.
Chelsea Waterfront is the site of the Lots Road Power Station, which was the power station that powered the London Underground before the London Underground went onto the national grid. The design for the low-rise buildings themselves takes from townhouse architecture that you see throughout Chelsea.
Materials throughout are warm, wet, polished metal accents. It's all designed based on classical references. The kitchen is framed in the same way as the building is framed, and that's the way the narrator comes in.
So the wayfinding strategy throughout the site takes inspiration from the story of the power station. So every piece of wayfinding is based on being a different component of an electrical circuit board.
There is always an attention to detail right the way through the delivery process. Our projects are stylish, and they also fully fulfill their function.
We have spent quite a bit of time discovering elements of Ilford. We use the history of the site and we create the narrative which then goes into the design. Ilford film factories were based in Ilford, and the inventor of the black and white TV moved in the 1920s. So we've taken elements from both of these aspects. You will see the building adopts the black and white from the Ilford film, and the pixelation is also based on the black and white pixelation on the TV. The building becomes one with the area.
Farrells have a long history within architecture, but remain relevant. The design that we've got is one that reflects the research that was undertaken into the area. I think that's quite unique.
You always get the personal service, you always get the personal touch, you always get the Farrell brand. Their ability to contextualise, to give a project a story, to integrate it into the urban fabric.
This is a major regeneration scheme. Master planning is one of the most key important factors for the success of the project. And we found Farrell very capable of doing a large-scale master planning. And individual buildings, we find it totally amazing what they come up with. Farrell has been very helpful, not just as an architect, but also very good as a partner and also as a friend.